How to delete Instagram account temporarily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete Instagram account temporarily, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to delete your Instagram account temporarily, it means that you will have to deactivate your Instagram account. And to deactivate it, you can open up the Instagram application, come to the profile page, then just tap on the three lines option, settings and privacy, account center. From here just go to personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Select your Instagram account. Now over here just select your deactivate account button instead of delete, because deleting will permanently delete it. So we only want a temporary thing, so we'll select deactivate, tap and continue, enter our password to deactivate our account. This way you can go ahead and then basically delete your Instagram account temporarily. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.